guys, welcome to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm gonna bring you guys another awesome 3D Perler tutorial. But before we start, I want to show you something that I got from Sanrio yesterday. I found this throw right here. It's so pretty. It's like a collab with Doki Doki with Hello Kitty, and every single character on here is very unique, and I didn't see any like duplication, so I just thought this is really cute. I got it from Sanrio yesterday for 32 bucks. So if you like, you know, Doki Doki and also Hello Kitty, maybe you want to check this one out. So today's tutorial is based on the most voted on my Instagram story. So I have these two. Yay! So I had these two. I didn't know which one I should do the tutorial first. So I posted on my Instagram story and a poll to see who do you want to build first. So here's gonna be the result. Alright, so the winner is this little cute one. So if you voted for this one, I'm gonna do the tutorial next. So today we're gonna work on this one. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it before we start. So if you have saw my previous videos, I built the heart-shaped one with the Sailor Moon on it. So I really love this one, and I saw a lot of you like this one too. So if you haven't built this one, check out my previous video so you can build this one as well. So I built this one, and then I built Chibi Moon, and I was gonna put Chibi Moon onto this heart-shaped one, but then it didn't really look right. So because they're, you know, pink and then pink, so the color contrast is too little. So I made this moon originally for Chibi Moon, and it looks really cute. Let me just take this out, and then you can just simply place it over here. So this is like a moon platform for her, and I really like it. But I felt like I really want to keep it with the wand idea. So I created this one with the little wand here, and then also have a little space. Oops. Because I didn't glue these pieces, so they're still falling. So I still like this idea to have the wand, and I can just simply put it here. So I have two moons now, but this one is not actually pretty easy to build, and then you can also insert like Sailor Moon on here if you like. So today I'm gonna show you how to build Chibi Moon and also the moon as well. So as you can see, this one is made with the mini Perler bee. So I wonder, because this is already a really great size, like this big, and I wonder how big is it if you're gonna build it with the regular Perler bee. So if you're gonna build it with the regular Perler bee, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see your creation. I wanna see how big is it. But if you're using mini bee, also tag me so I can see, you know, how it looks, you know, with your creation. And then if you do, you vote this one on my Instagram story, don't worry, I'm gonna work on this tutorial next time. So stay tuned for that one. So if you're new to my channel, make sure don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking the button and the bell so you'll get notification when I post new tutorials to build these little cute things. If you have been following me for a while, thank you so much for all your support. I'll continue making more new 3D Perlers tutorial like this one. If you have voted, this one is coming up next, okay? And also, I hope you will give me a thumbs up if you found my video helpful, and share with your friends so they can start making 3D Perlers as well, and then we can all make cute things together. Alright, so let's get started today. Woo!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started with Chibi Moon's head. So this is gonna be the base piece, and then we're gonna connect both sides first. So this way it's gonna go on this side, just like so. And then we're gonna place this one onto the top. So this bead is coming out, okay? All right, let's work on the other side. Doing the same thing. Oops, we go onto the top this way. And then the second piece right here. Just like so. All right, let's work on the bottom piece. This piece is gonna go under this way. All right, looking good. All right, let's see if we can pop the face onto the top. So it's gonna go this way. Yay, looking good. And then let's close to the back. That would be this piece right here. Again, at any time if I'm going too fast, feel free to go at your speed. Just pause and continue. All right, looking good. And then the next one right here, we're gonna fill in the hair. So as you can see, we have 3 pieces right here. So this is how you combine them, and then just place it onto the top. As you can see, there is a slot for the hair, right? So this is how you paste onto the top, and then we're gonna cover it with this one. So as you can see, the beads right here, it should go in this way. Take it carefully. If you're working with mini bead, I'm just using my nail. Looking good. And as you can see here, I added a little bit right here, so it's very different from Sailor Moon if you have built that one. And then one on the other side. You can see a little hole. Just insert it from here. Alrighty. Let's add this piece onto the top to close it up. Yay, looking good. Oops, I forgot. Actually, we have 2 more beads right here. So let's place this one onto the top. And then add these 2 beads. Just like so. Alright, because I'm trying to connect this piece onto the top. So maybe place it onto the grand one. And then the other one, and then from here we're just gonna slowly insert this one onto the top. So if it's kind of loose, you can always feel free to add glue onto the top, but here we all right, we got the head. Now let's work on the body part. So Chibi Moon's body is very easy to build. I put everything in order already. So let's use this one as the connector. Okay, so I'm just gonna go from behind this way, and then this one I'm gonna go this way. So the pink part goes in first all the way. Yep, looking good. And then I'm gonna add this one to the back. This one is pretty easy, as you can see. All right, 2 more. Last one. Yay! All right, so we're gonna add the bowl to the front. So we're gonna use this little bit right here, and then insert it right here, and then add this one onto the top. And feel free to add the hot glue here so it can staple it, okay? So now we got the body, and let's bring back the head and just simply connect it, just like so. Yay, see it's kind of loose, so add the glue, hot glue, so it can staple. Yay, we got this. All right, let's move on to the moon if you like. If not, you can just play with this one and tag me on Instagram so I can see it too. Let's get started with the moon one. So you should have these 2 pieces, 2 of these per the pattern. Okay, so let's connect them all together. So I'm gonna use this one because this is the main piece. So I'm gonna connect this one onto the top and then this one onto the top. Okay, so let's use these little connectors. So it's gonna go in this way. Take your time because there's no rush, and depends if you're using mini bead like I did, it's gonna be very careful. Let's see. So as you can see, I'm slowly placing these connectors on here. So let me see, maybe paste one more and see how it is. Okay, so now I got all the connectors. I'm gonna insert this one onto the top where I can find all the connector and then just push it in. You can always put the pieces together and then put the connectors from the back, but I kind of like it this way. Oops, one fell out already. Okay, so I'll show you the other way. Okay, so push all the way up because we have to add one more layer. So like this one, it fell out, so you can always go from the back and insert it again. Yay! So there's many different ways to do it. It depends on which one works for you. Some of you might be like left-handed, so we'll see which one works for you. So this piece, I'm gonna add it to the top. Yay, looking good. All right, so we have one side done, right? We have this side, so make sure you have this and also this duplicate on for the other side. So we're gonna turn around and we're gonna insert it from the back. Just like so, it creates that dimension, that volume for this moon by adding all these layers. You're really good because you have done all these pieces. It's a lot of work, I know that. So be proud of yourself that you're making something that you like and you enjoy. All right, so we get all these done. Now we're gonna use the connectors to fill it up, right? So here's the pieces. So let's go from the top. So this is gonna be the top piece right here. Very simple. Yeah, does it look good? Okay, if it doesn't look good, flip around because there's always one side better than the other. All right, we got this one in. So let's work over here. This is gonna be this piece in the center. This one's pretty easy. Yay! And then let's work on the outside piece. So it's gonna be this one. So it should go in this way. So it's gonna be this one to fill it up. Using my nail. Okay, carefully. I'm not rushing on this one because I don't want to break the pieces. All right, so one more piece right here to complete it. This one going this way. Sorry if I'm going too fast. All right, looking good, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, all right, so two more pieces right here. It's gonna fill up right here. You can see the little arrow here. Because you know we have the slot here for Chibi Moon, right? All right, so we got this part. Let's work on to the bottom. Alrighty, so this is the bottom part we're gonna work on. So let's go with this piece first because this is a connector for the other ones. So this one's gonna go into the center. I hope I got it right. Okay, and then so this is gonna be the top connector. Goes in this way. Looking good. And then the yellow piece goes to the bottom. Okay, and then we have this piece right here going to the bottom. You can kind of follow the color pattern. Yep, looking pretty good. All right, so let's fill these two onto here.
Yay, so let's work on this side. And then we're gonna flip around and then work onto the back. This 3D Perler is super cute. I'm so happy that you guys vote for this one so we can work on this tutorial first. Yay. Let's see, how come it's not going in? Okay, yeah. So slide it in so it fits perfectly, and then let's add these pieces to connect. So this one goes here, and then we're gonna close it with this. Okay, and then the bottom right here. Oh, no, this one is on the other side. So I was like, how come I'm missing a piece? No, okay, here, and then comes to the bottom. All right, and then on this side. Then we're done here, and then you can see on my moon, I kind of added this one, so I'm gonna show you how I glued these onto the top. Alright, so let's add on these accessories. It's up to you, depending how you like it. You can use other different colors or different shape, but I'm just gonna show you how I make mine. So I just simply add a little bit, not too much. Just stick on it pretty good. And this one already dried really fast, so I'm gonna try again. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, I'm not really good with the glue gun because I burned myself a couple times. I'm not gonna give up, I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, so just 2 more. Have to be very careful if you're using this glue gun. If you have someone to help you if possible, if you're not comfortable using this, you can always use like super glue. So as you can see, the glue has these little things over here, so you can simply just take them out. But like this one, just pull this out completely. So I'm gonna do this again. It looks like too much. Doesn't look too much. Right, so hold on to it, and then yay, we got this one done. And I'm gonna bring back Chibi Moon right here, and then what you're gonna do is just gonna insert this, her legs, into the moon swan. It's not going in. I wonder how. Yep, there we go. Isn't she cute on the little moon one? Yay! I hope you make this one and tag me on Instagram for a special shout out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!